After 10 minutes of sample color development, the absorbance reading can now be read on the spectrophotometer. The spectrophotometer is set up for 595 nanometers of wavelength. We're going to start with our blank. We're going to use our 1000 microliter pipette, and we're going to set it for 750 microliters. We'll need to do this measurement twice in order to get 1500 microliters pipetted into our cuvette. Because our concentrations are going from low to high, we can use the same cuvette and the same tip for this part of the procedure. When we get to the unknown, we'll need to use a new tip for the micropipetter. With my micropipette set at 750 microliters, I'm going to pipette into the cuvette 2 times. Once the sample is ready, we will open the door to the spectrophotometer, place our blank in to the proper position, close the door, and we are going to zero out the spectrophotometer. This is now going to be used for our control. We'll remove the blank since the absorbance reading is now set to 0. Pour it back into our tube in case we need to come back to it, and move on to test tube 1. For tube 1, we're going to use the same protocol. Pipette 1500 microliters into the cuvette. Open the door to the spec. Place the sample into the proper position, close the door, and now we're going to wait approximately 5 seconds. Sample 1 is 0.168. Sample 2. .237. Sample 3. .26. Sample 4. .503. Sample 5. .533. And finally, our unknown. .401. After recording our data into our table, we will now graph the results.